Hi guys, I'm having this Samsung WH520 and you can see the earpads were not good, so I ordered extra from AliExpress, and if you want them I can put the link in the description. And I was looking how we can really change it, and I was thinking that we remove it and then we need to put some glue and it goes in, and that's how it's being explained. I looked on YouTube for some tutorials and that's how it was being done, but that's not the way it should be done, because if I look at it, there is a place to apply some adhesive as well, but you don't need to do that. What you can do is, like, I already changed one so I know how it works. So basically you just start pulling it from the side and then it starts coming out, and that's how it goes out. Now if you see, there is kind of a place where this thing sits in. So how I will place the new one is, let me just show you. So I have got this new one, and if you see, it's having a place which will perfectly sit between this place. So I'm going to start from here and I will just insert a bit, and then I will keep my hand on it, and then I just start pushing it around and it will automatically start sitting in there. And then you keep your finger from inside, making it stretched. Don't pull it from outside. There you go, it's almost done. And then at the end you can just pull it from outside. There you go, it's perfectly sitting now. Just a bit in, tuck it in properly, and there you go, almost new now. So this is how easy it is to change the earpads. I just made this video because for me it was a bit of hassle to figure it out. So I thought I should make a video about that. So you don't need to buy new headphones just if your earpads are gone, because there are many people who are making them brand new. You can just order them for like $4 or $5, and then you can change them and it's pretty new now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.